Ever wondered how a performance hatchback like the Golf R comes to life?
It all starts with a flexible MQB platform, the foundation of the Golf R.
Why Golf R is different. Dedicated lines for high-performance builds.
Before metal comes quality material selection.
The Golf R's DNA, a powerful 2.0-liter turbo heart.
Inside the paint lab, creating Golf R's signature Lapis Blue.
Sport-tuned suspension doesn't install itself.
Golf R's AWD system, 4Motion, being tested before installation.
Glued, pressed, sealed, body panels come together like clockwork.
From steel to stealth, the Golf R's soundproofing process.
How does it stay stable at 250 kilometers an hour? Let's find out.
Headlights that think. Matrix LED tech in Golf R.
Final drive system install, where power meets pavement.
Dashboard boot test. Every Golf R screen must glow perfectly.
Brake systems worthy of Autobahn speeds.
Golf R badge Tunesy. Not just a letter, a performance statement.
No leaks allowed. Pressure test the fuel and coolant lines.
Lapis Blue, sprayed, baked, and polished to perfection.
Every panel fits like puzzle pieces, tested by laser alignment. Driving dynamics calibrated by motorsport engineers.
Sound system tuned for the enthusiast's ear.
From cockpit to command center ESP, UI testing the digital dash.
Custom exhaust note engineered in the acoustic chamber.
Seats designed for grip and comfort at 1G cornering.
Each tire torqued to spec. Dickin, no margin for imbalance.
Aero elements are not for show, yoing. They're wind tunnel tested.
Final vehicle data uploaded to VW Cloud before rollout.
Electronics verified. Every wire, every sensor tested.
Dynamic chassis test. Golf R must pass simulated track runs.
Every Golf R gets software and firmware updated. Chassis and axle stress tested to 10,000 cycles.
Rain simulation to ensure no leaks in real storms.
Seats passed crash dummy safety protocol.
Chassis rigidity is tested using high-torque twisting rigs. Windshield bonded under vacuum ensures flawless sealing. Each engine is cold tested before it's ever started.
Lap timing simulations help tune throttle mapping. Taillights must meet EU and US brightness specs.
Every panel checked for surface distortion before polishing.
All wiring labeled and color-coded per ISO standards. Final waterborne cleaning before cabin enters dust-free zone.
Door fitment tested for millimeter-perfect closure.
Every infotainment module goes through UI response testing.
Dual clutch transmission pre-filled and checked for shifting lag.
Tire pressure monitoring system activated and checked.
Engine mounts vibrated at specific frequencies for durability.
Scanning pattern. Calibrating front sensor. Calibration successful.
All software debug logs exported and validated.
Heat shields vibrated at max exhaust temps for durability.
All fuses and relays are pulled, scanned, and matched.
Glove box open/close cycle tested 1,000 times.
Ambient temperature sensors calibrated at 0 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius.
Recalculating.
Planen. देखिए शुभ मेंटेन लेबर का नोट्स मीट लेबर गया का है कि मन पटेस्ट को फीटी के नाक लिखाना है
All window regulators tested for noise and smooth motion.
Steering column height and reach adjustment tested.
Passenger airbag deployment area scanned and verified.
Exhaust flap actuators validated for dual-mode sound.
Backup camera contrast and resolution calibrated. Rear spoiler angle tested in active aerodynamic mode.
Electric parking brake functionality confirmed on incline rig.
Roof load mounts tested for maximum dynamic load.
Fuel tank sealed and pressure tested against vapor leakage.
Initiate primary scan sequence.
Door hinges stress tested with 20,000 open-close cycles. Engine splash guard water seal verified in storm tunnel.
The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. As you can hear, the clarity is maintained even with significant road noise.
Winter mode traction control tested in simulated snow chamber.
All dash warning lights triggered and confirmed functional.
So I just hit profile A. There we go, much better.
And I'll switch to profile B. Perfect, the heat is on.
License plate illumination meets EU and US visibility standards.